What's good, everyone? Um, Today was a great day for me. Um, I'm done for the day already, so I'll show you guys the trade breakdown, uh, the technical, everything how I was thinking before, during, everything. So let's get started, right? So we're starting off with a daily time frame, just to show you, just to give you guys some context about how I was thinking about it. Let's erase this for a little bit right here. Okay, so basically on we are inside this let's erase everything actually so I can show you guys from the beginning, let me see. Damn, I don't know how to erase this shit. Holy shit. Okay. Sorry. Okay, let's start off with a 1 hour time frame. Okay. So here we are. Monday I did not trade. I had to work the whole day, as y'all know. Tuesday we did trade. I was looking for the longs. I got caught in a consolidation, so I lost $250, 270, which is at 0.25% of my account. Yesterday I was looking for the long, got caught on the consolidation, but later on my target was hit, which was the London high and Monday high. But that it's okay, right? So I stopped for the day just to that one trade. I'm only allowed to take one trade, so I was out. And then today, Wednesday, right? So yesterday we took Monday's low, last week low, so it kind of looked like a accumulation, manipulation, distribution model. We closed above Monday's high on the daily time frame right here, as you can see right here. We closed above it. Just this candle right here on Tuesday, we closed above the Monday's high. So today, I was just looking for London to kind of like go below midnight opening, and then when we're about to end London and start New York, maybe form a CISD for a New York continuation higher to all these highs right here. That's what I was expecting for today, but we didn't get it right. Today that I went into market open and I was doing my analysis, I went to the daily time frame, and so I said, okay, we took Tuesday high, we took Tuesday's high today on Wednesday. We are inside this bearish fair value gap, and we're also inside this bullish fair value gap. So we might respect the bearish order flow and bullish order flow until we respect one, right? So we might consolidate, but I'm open to longs and shorts, right? But I'll wait the first minutes of the session to kind of tell me where price is heading. It's always good, guys. I always suggest you that, if you don't got a bias, like you should wait at least 15 minutes of the session of, let's say, from 9:30 to 9:45. You should leave those first 15 minutes to kind of tell you like where price might be headed. And so that's what I did, right? So I was open to longs and shorts, but when I saw, I was expecting price to come back down to these lows, sweep these lows right here, and then continue going higher to all these failure swings right here. But when I saw the 9:30 candle open hella strong and closing below all these lows, I said, okay, it looks bearish, right? It makes sense. We took Tuesday high, we are rejecting off bearish fair value gap, and there's still room to the downside. So it makes sense to go sell, but at the same time, it makes sense to go to the buy side. So in my personal opinion, you can do two things here. You either decide to go short or long, or you just stop trading until only one order flow is being respected. So I incline more for the sales just because of that market open, just because of that. If I think I'm wrong, y'all let me know, but I think it was good trades. But I decided to wait until 10, the new 4-hour candle open. So I did, right? That's what I did. So at 10, by the time it was 10, look where we were, way below right here. Why did it make sense to reverse from here, right? To reverse from here and leave all these lows right here and go higher, or just to continue going down to these lows right here. For me, it made sense to go lower, especially because on the 4 hour time frame, we had inversed this 4 hour bullish fair value gap, right? Even if it's by a little bit on this candle, when once we open at 10 a.m., we inversed it. We went higher into what is now an inverse for our fair value gap, and then once we were inside, I was looking for shorts now. I was looking for shorts, right? Also, uh, by the time it was, let me see. By the time it was 10 a.m., we had also been went up to this 5 minute bearish fair value gap right here. Boom, right there. Went up and closed below this. So for me now, this was an order block. So we had rebalanced to a 5 minute. We had an order block. The 10 a.m. went bullish. We had on the sell side. We had inverse the 4 hour fair value gap. So for me, price was looking for more higher probability sells than buys. So I decided to look for sells, right? Uh, okay. So as soon as 10 a.m., prices started going higher right here. Prices started going higher. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. And ES somewhere around here, ES created a bullish fair value gap. Okay, I'll show you guys just so y'all can understand. Y'all can see right here. Let me see. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Boom, bro. This computer's pretty slow. Sorry about that. Damn. Okay, it doesn't want to move. Okay, okay. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Stay with me for a little bit. Okay, let's just continue like that. Okay, so on ES we had created a bullish fair value gap, so we inverse that bullish fair value gap. Now it was an inverse fair value gap, and on MNQ, we closed below this low right here, making it an order block. So I said, okay, inverse fair value gap, all the higher time frame confluences. I'll try a short here. Let's say so. I went in short at 26.10 right there. My stop loss was just a consequent encroachment of this high right here, and I was just aiming for to be honest, I think I was a bit greedy. Targeting just that Tuesday low is just maybe kind of stupid of me. It might get hit, it might get not, but I was just targeting the Tuesday low. I knew that by the time we were around this zone right here, I was gonna be almost fully out and just leave one runner to the Tuesday low just in case if you wanted to get taken. But yeah, this was my trade, right? And you see, as soon as we entered, we started melting, 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 and then I placed my stop loss just below, just to these highs right here, and then so I could minimize my risk just in case if we went up, right? But by the time we were 26.68 right here, I took one micro out. Okay, so I was in with 6 micros. I took one out, so I was left with five. Right here was my mistake, guys. Once I saw this up close candle, I said, I don't know, bro. Like, cause I still deal with psychological problems like fear of losing, fear of that the market might take my profits again. You know, I still hesitate to enter. I do have all this, that's the reason why I'm not profitable, I might say. So as soon as I saw this up close candle, and then on this candle right here, I started seeing going up. I took another three out right here at around, let me see, I think it was 62. Around 62. I took another three out, so I was left with two micros, and then I should have only taken one out, a stop loss to break even, or even consequent encroachment of this fair value gap, and then just leaving the runners to maximize my profits. I just didn't do it, but I left two out. Once we swept this 1 hour low right here, I did took another one out. So I was left with one. And then I wrote the other one down to here, and then at last I got stopped out with the last one right here. Boom, just right here, and this candle got stopped out. Uh, at the end, the the trade was not. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Boom. The trade didn't end up being a 4 to 1. It ended up being a 3.50 to 1. It ended up being 3.50 to 1. Maybe I could have maximized my profit if I had taken more contracts out here instead of here. But what's done is done. The only thing we can do is learn from it. We can just say, "Oh, I should have done this, should have done this." What's done is done. There's no reason about it, but just to learn. Okay, and yeah, I think that's the only thing we can do, right? For me, it was a great trade. Yesterday we lost 270. Today I raised $200. Made 700, which is 200, 400, 600. 3.50 to 1. It's not a bad trade, in my opinion. It's not a bad trade. Um, so yeah, this was my trade. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys right here. Boom. And then boom. Console. You see? I'm out. I'm in $700. 3.50 to 1. That's what I can calculate. I won short with six contracts at 904, which is 1004. Time zone is wrong, and then I took one out, three out, which is four, one out, which is five, and then the last one got stopped out, with the last one being the sixth. Pretty good trade. I'm done for the day. I'm only allowed to take one trade a day. Um, and yeah, this is it for today. Y'all let me know if you have any questions, and maybe I can help you guys. Maybe sometimes we learn more. We learn more from people that are kind of like in the same place in our journeys than people that already made it. Sometimes we might be able to understand each other better because we're kind of like on the same, we're kind of like stuck in the same problem. So I might be able to help you, you might be able to help me, so y'all let me know.